Hello, TBK new laminated defoaming package, 408F laminator plus 405 defoaming machine plus Frail vacuum pump, 15-inch super large workspace, LCD devices such as curved screen mobile phone, straight screen mobile phone, tablet computer can be laminated and defoaming, intelligent pressure control, temperature, time and other parameters can be accurately set, making the lamination effect better. Installation teaching, 408F plugged-in power switch on. Turn on the vacuum pump switch, connect the vacuum pipe to the 408F vacuum connector, insert the vacuum pump plug into the 408F input power supply, connect the air pipe to the 408F air inlet pipe, and connect the other end to the 405 air inlet pipe, connect 405 power switch, and turn on the air compressor switch. .408F parameter setting. OCA laminated teaching of linear screen mobile phone. LCD lamination teaching of linear screen mobile phone. Curved screen mobile phone OCA laminated teaching. LCD lamination teaching of curved screen mobile phone.